Hello there, this is Jay Bowman from forextradingvids.com doing your analysis on the Dow Jones for the week of the 7th of March 2011. Now, let's just go to the monthly of the Dow Jones, and what we've got here, obviously, from, if you guys have been following me, the horn pattern here, that it's reached the top and now we expect it to come off, right? Now, I just want to go quickly to the weekly and explain to you what we've been talking about in the last commentary last week and so forth, is that these bull flags here looks like we are experiencing another pullback of a bull flag, possible bull flag, right? And if we get another week of stagnation or just possible pullback to the sort of 11.8 mark, and then a break, what you will find is, if I do the predictions on this, is that a break, say in not next week, but well, say on Friday or week after, that would give us a target of 13,600, right? Now, if that comes to fruition and we do get a break and that's our target, I'll tell you, I wouldn't be laughing at it if you were going short, because this bull flag here came to fruition, this bull flag here came to fruition, and now if this is another bull flag, that's our next target. And if that is our next target, going back to the monthly, right, it will breach this monthly horn and make it a continuation pattern, not a reversal. And therefore, well, I've already put it up on the screen, it's basically, you know, your 15,000 level, okay? Now, that's just sort of an unbiased opinion. I just take day by day. I don't really, you know, have a big bias towards the upside or the downside. That's just my opinion. And I'll just go down to the daily for you. Now, with the daily, we have a situation where it's just in a channel at the moment, and either break on the up or downside of this channel, I've already actually done the predictions, is the lowest level was about 11.8, which would be, you know, would sort of be susceptible for that weekly bull flag, and to the upside 12.4 to 12.5, yeah. So that's on the daily, and so there's pretty much, you know, not much more to say until we sort of breach this level here at the 12,000 mark and we get through the 12,000, because if we get through the 12,000, you know, our next level down here is you know, the 11,800, and then after that, you know, it's the 11,500 mark. But I really like to concentrate on this weekly bull flag because it looks like it is definitely coming to fruition. And when I look at this candle here, it's a bearish engulfing candle, and the second candle is a doji, usually reversal patterns. So I'm just saying, okay, let's just see how it unfolds, because if this retraces more than 60%, it's totally off. You know, it's not a bull flag, and it will be going down even more. Okay, so I like to work in the reams of 20 to 40%, but 60 is the max it can retrace before it's invalid. But I tell you, keep your eye out on the situation. I'll definitely keep you informed, because if we do get another break on the bull flag, you're talking about some serious upside movement in this Dow Jones, and there's a lot of money to be made. I mean, I'm talking more than 1,000 points, okay, and that's some serious money. So, in all due respect, with the US dollar signaling that it's going down even further, that usually inflates the stock market, and you know, as people can't get any good yields out of real estate, as I mentioned before, out of bonds, because, you know, it just forces them to raise interest rates, especially because of the ongoing inflation of food pressures. The bonds will drop in value, and the bond market is 10 times the size of the US stock market. So if people are going to, you know, want yields, and they want more than, you know, that's returns in the bank and on bonds, they're going to go into stocks where they return, you know, 3 to 4%. I'm here in Australia, and that's not much of a return, but either way, that's the sort of fundamental analysis behind it. Now, this is Jay Bowman from Forex Trading Vids, signing off. Thank you.